Recent scientific research provides valuable insights into weight loss. Studies show that diet, exercise, behavior modification, medications, and surgical interventions all play significant roles. When it comes to diet, both low-carb and low-fat diets can be effective for weight loss. The key is tailoring the diet to the individual's needs and preferences. Exercise remains crucial, not just for weight loss, but for overall health. Regular physical activity boosts metabolism, enhances mood, and improves cardiovascular health. Behavior modification techniques, such as setting realistic goals and tracking progress, are essential for sustainable weight loss. For some, medications may assist in managing appetite and metabolism, but they should be used under medical supervision. Surgical interventions, like gastric bypass, offer another option for those who struggle with severe obesity. In summary, a personalized approach combining diet, exercise, and behavioral changes, with the possibility of medical or surgical interventions, offers the best chance for successful weight loss. Looking to lose weight while still enjoying delicious food? Here are some top foods that can help you shed those extra pounds and maintain a healthy lifestyle. First up, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are not only low in calories, but also high in fiber and essential nutrients. They keep you full longer and support overall health. Next, let's talk about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. They're sweet, satisfying, and perfect for snacking or adding to your breakfast. Don't forget about lean proteins. Chicken breast, turkey, and tofu are excellent sources of protein without the excess fat. They help build muscle and keep your metabolism running strong. Whole grains are another must-have. Brown rice, quinoa, and oats are rich in fiber and provide sustained energy throughout the day. They're a great base for any meal. Nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are small but mighty. They offer healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a perfect addition to salads or smoothies. Lastly, green tea is a fantastic beverage choice. It's loaded with antioxidants and has been shown to boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. Tips for success: drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your metabolism. Incorporate a variety of these foods into your meals to keep things interesting and nutritionally balanced. Practice mindful eating by savoring your food and paying attention to hunger cues. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With these foods, you can enjoy delicious meals while working towards your weight loss goals. Stay motivated and stay fit. Are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey? Here are some effective exercises to help you shed those extra pounds and get fit. Jumping jacks. Start with a full body warm-up that gets your heart pumping. Jumping jacks are perfect for beginners and can be done anywhere. Burpees, a high-intensity move that combines squats, push-ups, and jumps. Burpees burn calories fast and build strength. Mountain climbers. Engage your core and boost your endurance. This exercise is great for both your abs and cardiovascular system. Squats. Tone your legs and glutes with squats. Add a jump for an extra calorie burn. High knees, another cardio favorite. High knees help improve coordination and flexibility while torching calories. Plank. Strengthen your core with planks. Hold for as long as you can to build endurance. Remember, consistency is key. Mix these exercises into your routine, stay hydrated, and watch the transformation happen. You've got this. Recent studies have identified specific genes that may influence our propensity to gain or lose weight and how we respond to different diets and exercise regimens. For instance, research shows that individuals with certain variants of the FTO gene are more likely to gain weight. Moreover, weight loss can lead to metabolic adaptation, where our bodies become more efficient at conserving energy, making further weight loss more challenging. A study found that for every pound lost, metabolism can slow down by up to 20 calories per day. But don't let these challenges deter you. Take Sarah's story as an example. Despite having genetic predispositions and experiencing metabolic adaptation, she stayed committed to her journey. With personalized nutrition and consistent exercise, Sarah lost 30 pounds over a year. She emphasizes that understanding her body's unique needs was key to her success. Remember, while genetics and metabolism play a role, they don't define your destiny. Stay motivated, seek professional guidance, and keep pushing forward. Your journey is unique, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Losing weight can be challenging, but with the right tools and guidance, it is achievable. Today, we'll explore FDA-approved medications that can support your weight loss journey. Orlistat. This medication works by reducing fat absorption in the intestines. It's a powerful aid for those looking to manage their diet more effectively. Phentermine topiramate. By suppressing appetite and inducing satiety, this combination helps you feel full, making it easier to control your eating habits. Liraglutide. As a GLP-1 receptor agonist, liraglutide helps regulate appetite, making it a valuable tool for those struggling with hunger management. Naltrexone bupropion. This combination affects the central nervous system to reduce hunger and food cravings, helping you maintain a healthier lifestyle. Remember, these medications should be used under the supervision of a healthcare professional. Combining these treatments with a balanced diet and regular exercise can significantly enhance your weight loss efforts. Stay committed, stay motivated, and you'll see the results you desire. Your journey to a healthier you starts today. Are you ready to transform your life and achieve sustainable weight loss? Behavioral interventions can be the key to your success. Techniques like self-monitoring, goal setting, and cognitive behavioral therapy help you make lasting changes to your eating and physical activity habits. Incorporating mindfulness and stress reduction practices, such as meditation and stress management, can curb emotional eating and boost your adherence to weight loss programs. Stay motivated, stay committed, and see the results. It's time to take control of your health. Start your journey today and embrace a fitter, healthier you. Regular aerobic exercise, such as walking, running, or cycling, is effective for weight loss and improving cardiovascular health. Studies show that just 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity, 5 days a week, can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. Strength training is equally important. Resistance training helps build muscle mass, which can increase your resting metabolic rate and aid in weight loss. Imagine burning more calories even while you're at rest. Combining diet with exercise is the ultimate strategy for long-term weight loss. Research indicates that people who combine diet and exercise are more successful in keeping the weight off than those who focus on diet alone. Take it from those who've transformed their lives through exercise. They not only shed pounds but gained confidence, strength, and a new zest for life. Start your fitness journey today. Every step, lift, and healthy meal brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. Let's make fitness a lifelong commitment. Welcome to Health and Wellness Channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to weight loss that actually works. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest health and fitness tips. Losing weight can be challenging, but with the right plan, it's absolutely achievable. In this video, we'll cover